Nope. Nope.
21.
The Bitcoin price was forming this inverse head and shoulders and also this double bottom and made a huge fake out dumpage to the downside, and now it's finding resistance exactly at these price levels I was mentioning. And also there is another thing that happened that I said that if this doesn't happen in last video, then the Bitcoin price will have a massive dumpage to the downside to this level, and look at that. It came exactly to the level I was mentioning. Stay tuned into this YouTube Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video to find out what is the Bitcoin price is going to do in the short term for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, we are going to be talking about what is the Bitcoin price doing right now. It's being a savage, dumping to the short side, to the long side. It's doing savage things like it usually does when it wants to get really volatile. So right now, the Bitcoin price was following this pattern I was mentioning around here. Was support, resistance, support, resistance, support, broke out. It almost met the exact price started right here, but here it created a bearish divergence, as you can see right here in the 4-hour time frame. Boom, and here higher highs in the Bitcoin price and lower highs in the RSI in the 4-hour time frame, and boom, dumpage to the downside. Found support on this yellow line, which this yellow line is a pattern right here, which was following this wedge right here. Look at this. So it was following this wedge right here. So you can see here support, resistance, broke out, support, lost support, lost it again, and then boom, confirm that support right here, and then lost it again. So since the Bitcoin price is now below this line right now, the support that I'm seeing right now, I will tell you right now, I'm gonna delete this wedge because I want to draw a new resistance right here. It will be from here, using the 4-hour time frame from here to here. Look at that. You know, turn it yellow, yeah. So yeah, right now the Bitcoin price is following this price range. So how low can the Bitcoin price go right now? So right now, the Bitcoin price found support, these pink lines from what I mentioned in last video. From the last video, these pink lines are very strong support, because these pink lines represent the monthly pivot points for the monthly time frame using the CPR indicator you see right here. There, these blue lines, those are very strong supports. And I mentioned in last video, guys, right here the Bitcoin price didn't touch this blue line before heading higher, and I said if the Bitcoin price continues this upper price action without touching first this blue line, then it will have a massive dumpage after it touches first this green line, and then it will almost guarantee to have a flash crash to exactly this price level, around the $59,000 level. And you can see that the Bitcoin price was very close to touching that green line, but it decided not to touch that green line, which was confluenced with this pattern right here, and it almost met the target right here, but it didn't. It was almost met. It did had a pullback and then touched this blue line. These blue lines was here before the Bitcoin price went there. So the CPR pivot points are a leading indicator, which is very important because almost no indicator can do that literally with such precise action and numbers. So this three pink lines are very strong supports. And I mentioned, guys, I mentioned this a couple of videos ago. I mentioned that because of this massive price action, the Bitcoin price had to at least go to half of this price action, which is very close to the $55,000 level, before going higher in a healthy manner. And you see right here, the Bitcoin price just went high here, consolidation, high, consolidation, high, consolidation, high, pullback, a little bit of pullback, consolidation, consolidation, and then continues to the upside. That's not enough of a pullback to continue in a healthy manner. So eventually, even if the Bitcoin price is going higher without having a pullback, it would then eventually have a massive flash crash eventually. So right here, you can see here, pullback, consolidation, pullback. And now, since this pink line is already touched by the Bitcoin price, which is the blue line using the CPR pivot points indicator, that's a good sign, because right now it's a good time for the Bitcoin price to continue going higher, but the Bitcoin price can still go lower. And I'm going to show you why. So I'm going to turn off this monthly pivoted points for the CPR indicator. So right now, the Bitcoin price is finding resistance exactly at this orange support line, which was for this pattern that it was following the Bitcoin price. So it's finding resistance right there. So right now, I'm going to delete these lines right here, because those price levels has been mostly met. I'm going to delete this fake out of a inverse head and shoulder and almost double bottom. So right now, you can see here also this resistance line was a very strong support here, here, and here. Look at that, boom, lost it right there. So right now, the Bitcoin price, what I am anticipating is potentially a lower price action for the Bitcoin price, potentially, because the low, if the Bitcoin price can't hold this price level around the $59,400 level right here, then expect for the Bitcoin price to head lower. How low? To this next pink line, around the $57,000 level, around here. And if the Bitcoin price can't hold that as support, then the Bitcoin price will most likely go to this $55,000 level right there. And that will be the lowest I see the Bitcoin price going in the short term right here, would be the $55,000 level, because I'm gonna pull out the Fibonacci retracement also, which is already pulled. So right now, from the swing high to the swing low, I'm going into the daily time frame right here. You can see right here that there's a lot of bullish patterns playing out. So the Bitcoin price is very bullish, guys, right now. Just it's having a inevitable pullback. So right now, you see this Fibonacci retracements. This 0.786 Fibonacci retracement is a very strong support. You can see this blue line. Look at that. The Bitcoin price was heading here, pulled back to this blue line, then consolidation, and kept again going higher. And then it's really close to this blue line right there. So that would be very strong support. And it also has confluence with this pink line, which is around the $57,000 level. That will be very, very strong support, guys, right now using that pattern. So right now, I'm gonna delete this resistance line right here, because this is potentially a bull flag. You know why, guys? I'm gonna draw this very quick right here. I'm gonna delete the support line. I'm gonna show you here very quick. So I want to draw from here, from this high right here. Look at that, there to there, and boom. Look at that. Exactly, the Bitcoin price is finding resistance here, support, resistance, and support. This is potentially a bull flag right now, and this bull flag will take the Bitcoin price, if it breaks out in a bullish manner, which is very likely, then the Bitcoin price will head higher. To how high? From the flagpole from here to here, put the price level around here, and there you go. Here will be the price target for the Bitcoin price. This is another bullish pattern. Beautiful, guys. So this will be around the almost yeah, you can say $85,000 level for the Bitcoin price, and this can be reached very, very quick, because right now these are almost the last stages of the bull run for the Bitcoin price. So it will not surprise me if the Bitcoin price heads to the $85,000 level for the Bitcoin price around almost near December or in December, or both of both. That's what I'm seeing, because right now you can see that the Bitcoin price has a lot of bullish patterns. You see right here, the cup and handle, the double bottom. Here is another pattern. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. I'm gonna delete these lines. Also, this pattern right here, you see resistance here, support, resistance, broke out. Also, this descending triangle, also support around here, resistance, support, resistance, and it broke out. That is also another bullish pattern that is breaking out right now. There's a lot of bullish patterns playing out right now, guys, for the Bitcoin price. So, and also this bull flag, look at that, guys. Here, boom, with come on here. Okay, so support here, from here, resistance, support, and here will be most likely this bull flag completing. I'm anticipating that $85,000 for the Bitcoin price very, very soon, because of the last stages of the bull run right now. So right now, guys, this is a very, very bullish time to be in Bitcoin right now. These pullbacks are really buying opportunities. Like, you have to most of the times enjoy buying these dips, because these are the last dips before the Bitcoin price just goes parabolic without having these pullbacks for almost around 2 months. So enjoy those dips, guys, because this is not financial advice. This is educational advice using the history I was mentioning for the Bitcoin price. So guys, yeah, enjoy these gains, because this is almost free money, literally almost free money. It's just these are buying opportunities, and you can stay ahead using my patterns, my price targets. I have a Twitter account where I usually post also my trading opportunities, where you can have the chance to have an educated trading pattern playing out. It's not financial advice, but it is for educational purposes only. So this is what I'm seeing for the Bitcoin price. And also this pink line, which is also the monthly pivot points for the Bitcoin price, is around the $71,222 level. And the next upper price target for this month will be the $81,000 level. And the other bullish price target for this month will be around here. I'm going to show you. These green lines are the monthly pivot points, the upper price targets for this month, because the CPR pivot points indicator is a leading indicator. So what this means is these green lines represents most of the times the highest the Bitcoin price can go during the month. Doesn't mean this is the max, it can go higher, but most of the times the Bitcoin price completes the 3 lines by touching it. And when it touches those 3 lines, usually that's the most the Bitcoin price will go during that month. But remember, it's not guaranteed, but it's a very high probability. So yeah, guys, doesn't mean the Bitcoin price will reach right here, $95,000 by this month. But if the Bitcoin price can find support right here on this green line here and then here, then expect for this price target to also be met. So I'm gonna put a pink line over here to represent this monthly pivot points for the CPR monthly pivot points indicator right there. And beautiful, guys. So right now, those are the price targets I'm seeing for the Bitcoin price. Also this month, this $71,222 level, this $81,000 level, and this $95,000 level for the Bitcoin price. And yes, it can happen very quickly because of these stages of the bull run right now. And also, guys, I'm gonna pull out the indicators right here really quick. So you see right here, this yellow line is the 8 simple moving average. in the daily time frame. This light blue is the 21 simple moving average in the daily time frame. This dark blue is the 50 simple moving average, and this purple line is this purple line is the 55 simple moving average for the daily time frame. This will also be very strong support, which also has confluence with these pink lines right here. Here, look at that, and here. Beautiful, guys. And the most I see the Bitcoin price going down in the short term will be the $55,000 level, and the most exaggerated pullback that can happen, and with a very low probability, but hey, it can happen, but it's very low probability. It can retest this Fibonacci retracements. These yellow lines right here, this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement with the $51,080 level, and this 0.65 Fibonacci retracement around this $52,240 level. You see right here this yellow lines, and it will also be a retest on the copper hand around the $52,800 level. But that would be the most exaggerated case scenario. I'm not anticipating that. I'm anticipating that to happen if it's going to be a very exaggerated scenario, which can happen, but with a very low probability. What I'm personally expecting is for the Bitcoin price to maximum be hold around this $55,000 level to scare a lot of people. Quick pullback, it will be like this, whoop whoop, almost the same day or even 2 days, and boom, and then go to the upside for the Bitcoin price. So right now, guys, this potential bull flag looks very beautiful, and we'll also be creating this W pattern at the same time. Look at that, boom boom boom, and kind of a W pattern, but you know, guys, yeah, bull flag, it's a bull flag, yeah. So yeah, guys, right now those are the price targets I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends, guys. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by clicking in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get an elite VIP crypto investor membership, where you can get an immediate short-term buy opportunities, immediate short-term selling opportunities, live weekly long-term cryptocurrency price updates, Bitcoin tops and Bitcoin bottoms with certainty in the short term and in the long term. Also live updates, my buying targets, my selling targets, and more. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.